foreign governments and central banks are just not as keen to hold on to another country's paper currency as they used to. They want to own something that has universal value, something that's actually a strategic asset. So this is why I would say, for the most part, they're probably not going to buy Bitcoin. Some of them might, right? But for a foreign government central bank, they're going to look at Bitcoin and they're going to say, what am I going to do with this other than, trade it and sell it to somebody else? Versus, what am I going to do with platinum? What am I going to do with silver? What am I going to do with oil? What am I going to do with natural gas? All these sorts of things are more strategic assets. I think even with something like gold, they're probably going to have a little bit more credibility behind gold, simply because every government and central bank in the world already owns gold. They don't, most of them don't own Bitcoin. It's really viewed as a competition. I'm obviously very pro crypto, but if I put my analyst hat on and opine on whether or not foreign governments and central banks are going to be loading up on this stuff to the tune of hundreds of billions of dollars, maybe, but I think it's far more likely than keep, loading up on gold.